Welcome to Danfoss IXA. My name is Morten, I'm Service and Support Manager. Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the MES 1001 MARPOL analyzer. This is an important process that should be done regularly to ensure accurate readings and safe operation. Here's the calibration kit. It contains safety glasses that should be worn when operating this cleaning kit and the span gas, and connected to the span gas bottle with a valve and a manometer hose and end fittings to connect to the sensor or analyzer. And finally, it contains a devalving tool for the span gas bottle so they can press in the valve and the bottle can be scrapped as normal scrap metal. The screen gas bottle comes together with a certificate that you need to be very careful about. It contains an expiring date that you need to check that's still valid. It has the value of the span gas. The standard value is 300 ppm, but the actual value of the gas inside the bottle is a little bit different. And for the calibration, you need to use this exact value. You need to make sure that the span gas that you use, and of course this is what we deliver, is of the right standard. It needs to be this ISO 17025. Please contact our sales team in order to get your calibration kit and your span gas bottle. Now you are ready to use the span gas bottle and connect the valve and manometer onto this. When using the bottle, please make sure that you have at least 250 psi or around 17 bar before starting the calibration. The valve of course needs to be closed before connecting all this to the bottle. We offer a training program that includes cleaning, maintenance, operation and calibration of our analyzers. Visit our webpage and check our training schedule.